So now I'm ready to do my pull request. I'm going to do a Git Diff on my local changes. And the one thing I want to do is have an in-depth review of my changes that I've done. This gives me some good feedback that I can read, and the change summary, and my change score, and if there was any security concerns. The next command I can do, and these can be done also with Qodo merge, but I would rather see these and be able to tackle them before I go and do my merge request. So think of it as a preliminary commit. So now I got some suggestions on the improve. So some things to do on best practices. And so I can tackle these issues before doing my merge request or pushing my merge request. The last one I'm going to do is ask to look for some issues. So this is great. I can see that there's some leftover debugging with an ePrint stack trace. So that's going to be in a system.out. So these are things that either Qodo merge will find, but your fellow developers are going to look at that and see that, or I can actually take care of this ahead of time instead of getting that kind of input. So that is the 3 commands for Git Diff on the review and improve and issues on things you can take action on before you actually have the merge request submitted.